This video will cover how to find arithmetic means. We need to start by defining what arithmetic means are. Arithmetic means are unknown terms located between known terms of an arithmetic sequence. That's why they're called arithmetic means. So if we have a problem such as this example where we're asked to find 4 arithmetic means between -8 and 22, that means we have 4 unknown terms, or 4 blanks between -8 and 22. So we're going to write -8, and then we have 4 numbers we don't know in the sequence, 4 arithmetic means, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we have 22. Now the reason we're going to write it this way is because in order to solve this problem, we're going to need to find the common difference. And the way that we do that is we have 2 points. We have the first term, which is -8, and x1 then would be 1. And then by doing some counting, if that's the first term, then this is the second, third, fourth, fifth, and 22 would be the sixth. So y6 would be 22 and x6 would be 6. If we take those things and we look at our equation, all we have to do to use our equation to find m is realize that we're going to be plugging in x6 and y6 for x and y. So we have 22 minus -8, so 22 plus 8 equals, we do not know m, and then in the parentheses we have 6 minus 1. That is going to be an extremely easy thing for us to solve. 22 plus 8 is 30. 6 minus 1 is 5. So we have 30 equals 5m. We divide by 5, and we get m equals 6. So our common difference is 6. Now from there, what we need to do is go back up and fill in the blanks. Well, this is an arithmetic sequence, which means I'm going to add my m value. -8 plus 6 is -2. -2 plus 6 is +4. 4 plus 6 is 10. 10 plus 6 is 16. And then the way we check to see if we screwed up, 16 plus 6 is 22. So our 4 arithmetic means between -8 and 22 would be -2, 4, 10, and 16. Let's do one more of these. So here we have, again, it tells us 5 arithmetic means, which means we're going to be putting 5 blanks between our 2 numbers. We have -18, then 5 blanks, and then 36. So again, the reason we're writing that out is so we can easily figure out our term numbers. -18 is going to be the first term, so x1 is 1, y1 is -18, and then we're going to do some counting. That's the first term, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. 36 would be the 7th term. So x sub 7 would be 7. From there, we're going to adapt our basic point-slope form to fit our situation, which is to insert a 7 on the x and the y. So we have 36 minus -18, so plus 18, equals, we don't know m, x7 is 7, x1 is 1, so plug those numbers in and solve. 36 plus 18 is 54. 7 minus 1 is 6. So we have 6m equals 54. We divide by 6 to get the value of m. m equals 9. So we're adding 9 each time in this sequence. So to fill in the blanks, we're going to do -18 plus 9, which is -9. Plus 9 is 0. Plus 9 is 9. Plus 9 would be 18. Plus 9 would be 27. And again, just to check and make sure we're correct, if we add 9 again, we should get 36. Now the big concern I've heard as our answer then would be -9, 0, 9, 18, and 27, is that on the homework some of the problems contain decimals. That is unimportant. Decimals happen. We're in Algebra 2. Not everything works out nicely. All you need to know is that if you're doing your pattern up here, it should eventually, once you fill in your blanks, add to that last number. If it doesn't, you've messed up. If it does, you've done nothing wrong, and you have the correct answer. All right, that does it for sequence. Our next video will be covering arithmetic series.